Jo Lynn.
Yes.
Honey, how would you like to ask these folks a trivia question?
All right. Okay, here's your trivia question. In what year did the movie Nashville take place?
Oh my, I don't have that many goo-goo clusters. Good Lord, well what are we going to do?
Which hand did you see first?
I don't know.
Somebody over here said it. I
Let's
think.
do it again. Okay, I'll just close my eyes. Okay, hands, there we go. Okay. Over here.
Goo-goo cluster.
There you go, sweetie. Woo! Of course, that was less a trivia question, more of a are you paying attention question, but nonetheless, thank you, Jo Lynn.
All right, so I think we need to get these great musicians back in on the act.
Woo.
Let her go, boys. He's got a tape deck in his tractor and he listens to the local news. He finds out where the bass are biting while he's plowing to his country blues. He was a cowboy and he knew all of it well. Cowboy secrets you never tell. No, there's nothing like the loving of a hard-rocking cowboy man.
Now, you know, folks, in the movie, this song is sung as a solo by Barbara Jean, but when I was putting this show together, a very dear friend of mine, whose name shall go unrevealed, thank you, Jay Rogers, said to me, are you really going to let Jo Lynn sing Tape Deck in his tractor all by herself? And after many sleepless nights and hours of painful consideration, the answer is, no. He got a tape deck in his tractor while he's plowing up his daddy's land. He's got more horse sense than I ever seen in any man. He was a cowboy and you knew I loved him well, but cowboy secrets you never tell. No, there's nothing like the loving of a hard-driving cowboy man. Saturday nights we go dancing in town, and all the boys will order up another round.
When summer comes, we look forward to the rodeo.
Saturday nights we go dancing in town, and all the boys will order up another round. When he rides saddle cross, I wait to hear that whistle blow.
He's got a tape deck
in his tractor, I can hear him when he's coming home. And he holds me in the rocking chair and sings me a little song. He was a cowboy and he knew I loved him well. Cowboy secrets you never tell. No, there's nothing like the love of a hard-driving cowboy man.
No, there's nothing like the loving of a hard-driving cowboy man.
There's nothing like the muscles of a hard-driving cowboy. Nothing like the loving of a hard-driving cowboy.